segment is sponsored by the Association of Equipment Manufacturers. Heavy construction vehicles are rolling onto the National Mall this week for the Celebration of Construction event, showcasing the industry's workforce, technologies, and innovations. Here to discuss its impact on communities and the nation is Megan Sinnell, President and CEO of AEM. Welcome, Megan.
Thank you, Carrie. Happy to be here.
Happy to see you. Okay, what is the Celebration of Construction, and why is it such a unique event for both the construction industry and the public?
Yeah, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to have this big construction equipment rolling right into our nation's capital, setting up around the National Mall and being accessible and available for people to crawl on, to climb on, to learn about. We've got a number of our members that have equipment out there right next to their own little sandboxes, so they're encouraging families to come over, ask questions, get to know this equipment. On the flip side, we're also here to make sure that our policymakers and our legislators, our regulators, understand the different advancements we've had in technology and innovation related to construction equipment and how we can work collaboratively to make sure that we're building the roads, the safe roads and bridges that we need throughout our nation.
Sure, that makes sense. Okay, and how are innovations in construction technology, such as electric machinery and autonomous vehicles, shaping the future of infrastructure and impacting our daily lives?
So we're utilizing this technology you mentioned too with the electric vehicles that offers us an opportunity to be able to reduce some emissions or to lower any noise pollution that might happen from something that might be a little bit louder. Autonomous vehicles, they're already being used in mining. This presents some opportunity for efficiencies on the job site as well as enhancing the safe operations. There's nothing scarier than having a paving crew out on the road on an interstate and people are flying by them going 70 miles an hour. Autonomous vehicles help to keep the crew a little safer as the vehicle is actually closer to the road than the person. We've also got telematics. The equipment's talking to each other, and as it talks to each other, it learns from each other through some AI as well, and it takes that information and it can send it back to the contractor so they know exactly what's going on in real time. They can make some tweaks or changes if they need to or take advantage of some opportunities with some uptime as well.
Oh, very cool. Okay, how do these advancements in construction technology contribute to job creation and the strengthening of local economies?
We need people. I'm sure there's a lot of industries out there saying this, but overall, the construction industry represents 1 million people in the nation. For Utah, that'll be 15,000 people that we've got in the construction sector.
Wow.
For you all, yeah, in your state too, that's $1.9 billion into your state economy. Nationally, it's $137 billion. So it's a big industry. It's not going away. We are projecting to have a staff shortage, a labor shortage over the next 10 years. We're going to need to fill 1.9 million manufacturing jobs, and construction will be a portion of that. So while the technology is great, the autonomous vehicles and all of that can potentially reduce jobs in certain areas, it increases the need for people in other parts of the industry.
Sure.
We have opportunities to upskill people on this technology, right? Or we need people that are coming in with a sustainability focus to come in with this industry as well.
Yes.
So there's really a lot of opportunity.
Okay, Megan, thank you so much for joining us today and giving us all this information. It was great to see you. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much.